Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss how to generate state space tree for 4 queens problem. Before starting generation of a state space tree, let us quickly revise this concept. So in previous video I told you that solution will be represented using solution vector, and here the name of the array is considered to be X. The indexes 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the queen numbers. So if I have to represent the solution for queen number 1, then this will be X of 1, and here I'll write the corresponding column. For example, if queen 1 is placed in first column, then I'll write 1 over here. Then for queen number 2, I have to write down the corresponding column. So this is how we are going to write down the solution vector. Now why solution vector is written in this way? Because we have already assumed that the queen 1 will be placed in column in row 1 only. Queen 2 will be placed in row 2, queen 3 in row 3, and queen 4 in row 4. So in solution vector we just need to write down the corresponding columns. Here I have taken two 4x4 chessboard in order to explain the working of space tree. Now let us start with the generation of a state space tree. So here we will first going to place queen number 1. So queen number 1 will be represented as X1. So queen 1 we are going to place in row 1. So there are 4 columns where we can place queen 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we will start generation of a state space tree, the first node, which is going to be the root node, and there will be 4 branches, and each branch will represent 1 column. So as there are 4 columns, so there will be 4 branches. And the queen 1, that is X1, let's assume that it is placed in first column, that is over here. Okay, so I have generated the first node where I am considering queen 1 is placed in first column. As we are using backtracking approach, so we are not going to generate all the 4 nodes at the same time. Rather, we will prefer depth first search technique in order to generate state space tree. So according to depth first search, we are going to generate one branch of the tree, and we will keep on extending that branch until we reach to the last node or leaf node. So here I have considered queen 1 has been placed in first column. Now we are going to place next queen. So for placing next queen, we will be writing it as a X2. For placing second queen, there are 3 columns left, that is 2, 3 and 4. When you start traversing this branch, X1 equals to 1 indicate Q1 has been placed in column 1. So now we are left with the choices of remaining column, that is 2, 3 and 4. So queen 2 can be placed in column 2, can be placed in column 3 and can be placed in column 4. So let us try for column 2. So here I am trying this particular position for Q2. So if I place Q2 over here, then Q2 will be under attack because it comes in a diagonal of Q1, right? So here we are violating the condition that Q1 and Q2, they are in a same diagonal. So as we are violating the constraint, so we have to backtrack to the previously placed queen. So previously placed queen was Q1. So now we have to try for the another option for Q2. So we already tried second column. Now let us try for third column. So here I'll write that 3, that is X2 is equals to 3. So here now I'm placing queen 2 into third column. So if I place queen 2 into third column, now it is not under attack, so it is fine. Now let's place queen number 3 into third row. So if you observe this tree right from the root, then queen 1 has been placed in column 1, queen 2 in column 3. So now we are left with the choices of column number 2 and 4. Okay, so let us first try for column number 2. So here I'll write queen 3 and I'm trying column number 2. So at this position I'm trying to place queen. So what is the observation? If I place queen 3 over here, it will be under attack of q2. So this is not a right position, it is violating the constraint condition. Backtrack. Now second choice left is 4th. So I'll again create the node, and wherever I am backtracking because constraint is violated, so here I am trying that 4th column. So if I place q3 over here, again it will be under attack and this is not going to give right solution. So backtrack. So when you backtrack, you are going back to the previously placed queen, that is q2. So for q2 we have already tried two options, that is column 2 and column 3. So now we are only left with a choice of column 4. So here 2 and 3 didn't work, so we are going for another node where queen 2 will be placed in column 4. So when queen 2 is placed in column 4, let us observe the tree. 1 has been placed in column 1, second queen has been placed in column 4. So now we are left with the two choices, that is column 2 and column 3. So let us analyze, let us observe one column at a time. So I'll say that third queen can be placed in column 2. So I'm checking for this option. So can I place queen 3 over here? If I place queen 3 over here, it is absolutely fine, it is not under attack. So let us generate next. So far we have done with first column is occupied, fourth column is occupied, second column is occupied. So we are left with only choice of 3, where I am going to place my fourth queen at 3. So at this particular position I am trying to place queen 4, but if I place queen 4 over here, it will be under attack of q3. So again this is not going to provide me the right solution. In that case, backtrack to the previous. What was the previous? Previously we have placed queen 3. Okay, so as it is not taking us to the right solution, so go back to the previous, and previous means q2. Okay, so for q2 we have tried all the options. We have tried second column, we tried third column, we tried fourth column, but we could not find right solution. So we have to backtrack to where previously placed queen. So here in this case I am going to backtrack to queen 1. So earlier I tried column 1 for queen 1, but as this didn't lead to the solution, so now let us try for the next column for queen 1. So I'll start with the next node, and here now I'll write that queen 1 placed it into column 2. So here we have placed our first queen. Now when it comes to placing second queen, we are left with a choice of 1, 3, 4. So let's try all the options. First try x2 is equals to column 1, that is at this particular position. So if I place q2 over here, it will be under attack and this is not a right solution, so backtrack to the previous. Next will be another node where I am putting x2 is equals to 3, that is I am trying for this position. So here also same problem, under attack. So no need to go further and backtrack. Now we are left with the next choice, that is fourth column. So I'll generate fourth where x2 is equals to 4. So here I am placing q2. Now after placing q2, we are going to place q3 in this particular row. Observe the tree. So far we have occupied column 2 and column 4. So we are left with a choice of column number 1 and column number 3. So let's consider first column where x3 is equals to 1. That is queen 1 will be placed, queen 3 will be placed in first column. When we place queen 3, now we have to go for placing queen 4, and in that scenario we have already occupied column 2, column 4, column 1. So we are only left with a choice of column 3. So here I am going to place fourth queen. So I'll write x4, that is queen 4 can be placed in column 3, and this is the right solution. So here you can observe that all the 4 queen has been placed and no 2 queens are under attack, and we got this answer. So what is the answer? x1, that is first queen in column 2, second queen x2, second queen in fourth column, third queen x3 in first column, and x4, that is queen 4 in third column. So we got one solution over here. Now rather than, if I am over here and rather than first column, if I would have choose, because second and fourth are already gone, so I could have selected next column as third. So if I would have placed it at this particular position rather than the first column, then it will be under attack. So definitely this has to backtrack to the previous node. So here I have shown one answer, one solution for 4 queens problem. Similarly, we have one more solution which I have already told you, that is 3 1 4 2. So first queen needs to be placed in third column. So if I extend my tree or if I generate remaining nodes, so next node will be x1 equals to 3 and last will be x1 is equals to 4. So if I consider x1 equals to 3 and if I expand it further, this branch further, then I may get this solution. But as I told you, in an exam you are expected to show at least one solution. So if you draw this much tree, then you will get whatever marks are specified for the questions. Thank you.